In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Likert scale in Google Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clear 5-point agreement scale to any form, perfect for quickly gathering opinions or measuring satisfaction. First, open your Google form. You can use an existing form or start a new one. Either way, you'll be working in the main editor. On the right side, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Click the Add Question button. It's the plus icon at the top of that toolbar. This drops a new question card into the main form area where you'll do all your editing. In the question field, type your statement or question. A Likert scale works best with a clear, single idea that respondents can agree or disagree with. For example, if you're running a simple customer satisfaction survey, you might enter, "The workshop content was helpful." Keep it concise and unambiguous so people can respond confidently. Now, add the scale options. In Google Forms, this is done by turning the question into a scale so responders can select a level of agreement. Choose the scale option in the question type menu so you can set the range and labels. A common setup is a 5-point scale from 1 to 5. Label the lowest end as strongly disagree and the highest end as strongly agree. This gives respondents a familiar range to choose from, while keeping the middle of the scale neutral. If you prefer, you can adjust the scale length, but 5 points is widely used and easy to interpret. As you configure the scale, think about consistency. Place the least agreement on the left and the most agreement on the right to match common reading patterns. Use straightforward, positive wording for your statement so that the direction of the scale makes intuitive sense. Let's put it all together with the example. Your form might be titled Customer Satisfaction Survey. Your statement would read, "The workshop content was helpful." Your scale would span from strongly disagree to strongly agree. This setup makes it effortless for respondents to scan, click, and move on, which improves completion rates and gives you cleaner data. That's it. You opened your Google form, added a new question, typed your statement, and set the scale from strongly disagree to strongly agree. With this simple structure, you're ready to collect consistent, comparable feedback in minutes.